Hello, welcome to the PSC 201 course, Introduction to Peace Studies. I say I'm supposed to be looking into the camera there. My name is Dr. Tom Flores, and I'm the Assistant Professor of Positive Human Development and Social Change at Life University. This is the first time that we have offered this course online, and I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm so used to teaching this in person and interacting with students face-to-face, which is what I prefer, but hopefully we can make this work together as a good experience for all of us and to feel connected by the end of the course. So I just wanted to introduce myself to you, tell you a little bit about the course and a little bit about my background. So as the course goes, this is an introductory survey course. We're going to be covering a lot of material, a lot of different areas of peace studies, and you will have a good idea of what peace studies is. And unfortunately, but necessarily, we have to cover violence as well if we talk about peace. And so we're going to explore different dimensions of peace: inner peace, outer peace, social peace, political, economic, and covering different areas, different academic disciplines like human rights, nonviolence. We'll look at biological studies, psychology, sociology, anthropology, political science, and other areas as well. And the format of the course, and this is what I tried to list on the first section of week one, is we're going to start with inner peace on an individual level, and I'll ask you some questions and we'll reflect on that. Then we'll branch out to more macro levels of society and social and in the world and global. And then we'll come back to the inner dimensions and individual and interpersonal peace. And just as a warning and precaution, we do cover some areas that people may find disturbing if we talk about sexual violence or gender violence. We talk about terrorism when we talk about international violence. So these are things that are going on in the world, and our goal is to try to understand these dimensions better and with more sophistication and critical analysis and some frameworks to understand these dimensions of our world and what we can do about them. So and I have disclaimers in different chapters that some people might find very intense, and you feel free to skip over those or contact me if you have comments about those certain aspects of those chapters. But for the most part, everything, not for the most part, completely, this is all within the study, the academic study of peace studies and critical analysis. So that's an overview. We'll have one discussion question a week. The first week, we'll give you till Friday to respond to the discussion question and respond to your peers. So there's one discussion question that's required per week, and then 2 peer responses during the week as well. And the deadlines for those are on the syllabus, which is in the folder at the beginning. So that's the overview of the course. My background is pretty varied. I'll keep it very short. I have a degree in music, in political science, in theology, and in religion. My PhD is in religion from Emory University, specifically religion, conflict, and peace building. And even the music background that I have had or have and continue to pursue. I'm a musician and I play guitar and I sing and I've written songs. Has to do with peace and peace building, and I have a certification in that, how societies use art and art and expressive arts to work for peace building in the world and reconciliation. I've taught mostly religion, conflict, and peace building courses at Emory, and at Life I've taught the peace studies, and I teach conflict transformation as well. The peace studies course we offered at the Arundel State Women's Prison, which is in North Georgia, and that's part of the Shalon Project, which is a project of Life University, working with these incarcerated women. But specifically, we have an associate's degree, an AA in positive human development and social change, and the women have taken this course and did incredibly well. And as you might imagine, incarcerated women have very different experiences and perspectives to bring, and opinions about violence and structural violence and cultural violence that maybe the average person does not have. So it was very intense and rewarding at the same time. So that's the last time this course was taught and it will be taught again the following quarter. And I've taught this on ground at the campus as well. And we seem to have a pretty good response and reaction to it. Students are very engaged. So what else? I enjoy teaching these courses. I also write on culture and politics and peace and violence. And these are things that are very close to me. I also teach in the area of secular ethics and work with the Center for Compassion, Integrity, and Secular Ethics at Life University. And we have a team that does training as well in what we call compassionate integrity training. So that's really the universe of my background, and I continue to develop and write and teach in those areas as well. So I hope to make myself available to you at any time, and you have my email there on the syllabus, and if you need to speak with me by phone, we can arrange that. We can even do a video conference on Zoom, and I'd like to see people. For me, I prefer a face to a name rather than just a name of a student, but we'll make it work. So that's all I've got for now. I'll sign off, and we'll use the video format if we need to. You will find lots of videos and other supplementary websites in each week. I try to balance text and reading with video clips that might help elucidate the subject that we're talking about, and web resources as well. So this is not just following a textbook. I try to include different facets for our learning outcomes, which are very clearly stated on the syllabus. So I look forward to it and our journey together. This will be a journey if you stick with it. I'm confident that whatever understandings you have about peace and peace studies will be broadened from week 1 to week 10 or week 11 when you write your synthesis of some of the concepts that we've used. Okay, I look forward to it, and I will speak with you hopefully later. Thank you. Bye-bye.